every gun that I own, whether it's a shotgun or a rifle or a pistol, I try to tap it for the most accuracy potential I can get out of it. And everything I go through would be too complex for just a video, but I've shot thousands of rounds through this. And this will shoot sub 2-inch groups rested on a sandbag at 25 meters. In a ransom rest, it'll do about 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. And of course, I had to change the sights. These are Dawson's. I want that tiny fiber optic one. That's what I want. They gotta be adjustable because I can swap this gun out and I can go to a 40 barrel too. So they have to be adjustable. I have to have adjustable sights. I only have one firearm that doesn't have either optic or adjustable sights. And that's just because it came from the factory dead on and it had really nice night sights. So I've left those on, but everything else I put adjustable sights on. I have to have them because I want to hit right there at 25 meters. I want the gun to be able to do that, not necessarily my skills. We're not talking about anybody's skills. We're talking about what the firearm's capable of. And this isn't a stock barrel, and I've had it recrowned. Feed ramp's been polished. The chamber's been polished. Same thing with this 40 barrel for it. These are land and groove barrels. I want land and groove barrels. The polygonal Glock barrels are pretty good too. If you have one of those, I mean, you can get some pretty good accuracy out of those. But I've learned that land and groove works better in these. The trigger internals are dramatically altered. The spring and barrel, sights. I have to have this soft rubber on all of my guns. Every one of my guns has, they used to call it craton-like material is what I want. I don't want anything hard and scratchy. I want something a little bit give. I like Hogue, Packmeyers. Those are mostly my choice. Or these sleeves. This sleeve makes a big difference because this is not a good grip. It doesn't have enough of a palm swell. That's why they're horrible. You notice every gun now has a pretty prominent palm swell on it. Not Glocks. It's like picking up a 2x4, but these make them a little more tolerable. Ammunition. First of all, I have to have adjustable sights because when I swap the barrel out, point of impact's going to change. When I shoot one of these, which is going over 2,300 feet a second, the point of impact is going to be different than something like this. 125, which is much bigger, going a lot slower. These will chrono about 1390 out of that. Might hit 1400 with these. It's just about perfect for the gold dot. If you want a little more steam, I can shoot these. 115 grain Nosler sporting bullet. These things are vicious. Very soft lead cup and core. Very accurate. This is what I shoot with the gun for accuracy, or these XTPs. These are Fiocchis. Starline stainless. These are chrono. Not much deviation in velocity with any of these. But you find one like this, it's going to shoot real good. You can get a lot of accuracy potential out of these cheap guns. And I've thrown more money into it, of course. But now, if you can get a 2-inch or a sub 2-inch group or better off a ransom rest from one of these that you buy for $500, that's pretty good. And these are durable. I've shot the living crap out of this thing. I just grease it. Everything metal to metal gets a thin coat of high temperature gun grease. That's it. Clean the barrels real good on these. Don't get the barrels too hot. You want a warm barrel, but not hot when you're going after accuracy. I love this Glock, though. This is my target gun. I don't really pack this thing around or anything. This is my target gun.